guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a vintage junk journal haul for you. These are items that I have found over the past couple weeks at thrift stores. Yes, I think all of them are from thrift stores. So I'll start at the top here. I found this vintage little card, super cute. It's a used card, but it's so adorable. And then these came in little bundles. I'm not sure. There are bundles for $1, and I think they may have had 10 cards in them. I've opened up 2 of them already, but I'll open up this one so you can see what they are. So this was one from Niagara Falls. Just gonna look to see what they... Doesn't have a date on this one. That's from Niagara Falls. Here is one, the Washington's Mansion from Mount Vernon, Virginia. Oh, I was looking. No, can't find any dates on these, but they are pretty old. This one, sorry, it's not focusing very well. Le Den Hotel of La Plage, La Villa. And what that is, Statler Hotel. Flowers, Hotel Dearborn. These aren't quite as old, but probably from the 70s, I would think. The other ones, oh, this is Canyon Lowe's, the Ventana Canyon Resort in Arizona. And then here's some more. I'll just run through them real quick because I know it's going to take a while if I just keep going. Washington, D.C. Schönbrunn Village in Ohio. Well, that's kind of cool. Jenny Wade House in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. Orange Orchards in Midwinter. Not sure where that is. This looks like somewhere overseas. It's in French, yeah. Old Michigan card, Statue of Liberty, that's cool. Another French card. Oops. It's pretty neat. This is Michigan. Another Michigan. Looks kind of like the 50s or the 60s maybe. Museum of Science and Industry, Chicago. That's cool. Curtis Lee Mansion in West Virginia. Here's a mill in Massachusetts. Guy's Cliff Mill, another mill. This is a Baptist church in Prospect, Oklahoma, I think. Niagara Falls. And then here are some, oh, these are from an art gallery. So there's those 2 pieces. And then this is another one from France, I think. And here's a windmill in Holland. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that. It was from in Holland. And then here are some two old pictures. Really, really old. I thought those were awesome. And those were only 30 cents a piece. So that was pretty cool. I found this Women's Day cookie cookbook. Super fun. And somebody wrote a little hand-wrote recipe in there for snowballs. This is really fun. I love this. This is another thing I love to do, is decorate and make cookies. So I was super excited when I found this book. Another handwritten recipe. It's pretty cool. I found this, the flower album. And this just has, it's an old book. Let's see. This is from 1941. It says from the University of Minnesota. Oh, on the front too. So it just has lots of different kinds of flowers. So that's pretty cool. Love these illustrations. These will be great in botanical books. I found this Tale of Peter Rabbit. This is beautiful. These are, I just love the watercolor illustrations in here, and this is from 1963. At least that's maybe the first print. I'm not sure, because in the front here it says it was 1991 whenever they gave this to that person. But I love this. So these are probably going to use these in my Easter journals. So cute. And then I found the Sunset Best Kids Cookbook. Oh, let's see what year this was, if it shows it here. 1992, so it's not terribly old. But I just love that it has the actual pictures and the illustrations on the pages with the instructions and everything. I love that. So look at that. So cool. I found this book called Questions and Answers About Bees. I have some other bee items that I have collected, so this was great to find this. And this one was from 1983. So it's got illustrations all the way through it. It's kind of cool. Those pages are pretty. Yeah, really awesome. Found a Strawberry Shortcake book. This of course was the newest Strawberry Shortcake, at least the one that when my daughter was little. And I've made Strawberry Shortcake books in the past, and I'll try, well, if you go to my junk journal playlist, you can scroll back probably a year or two back and be able to find it. If I remember, I'll try and link them down below. But I had them in my Etsy shop and I love them, and I have a lot of stuff left, so I'm planning on making more eventually. Strawberry Shortcake. So this is pretty cool. I love this. Just a fun little book. Look at that. You can make a Strawberry Shortcake hat. That's pretty cool. So cute. And then I found another book to use with my Easter books. The Chocolate Rabbit. And this has beautiful illustrations throughout. So cute. And a lot of these last few I picked up at a thrift store here in town that is the whole complex. The little plaza is thrift stores, and they will be shutting down, unfortunately, that plaza and like rebuilding possibly new homes or something. So it's kind of sad because these places have been there like 30 years at least, and they're thrift stores that benefit churches, so their ministries and everything. So it's just sad to see them go, but everything was 50% off what they have tagged here. And I found this fun music book. Has Pippi Longstocking on it. I think that's so awesome. It just has, it's learning how to play, it's musical goals for grade 1. So this is grade 1 for the piano. And this is from 1966. Really cool book. So lots of different music. There's not a lot of illustrations. Hey there. Not a lot of illustrations in the book, but I just thought that the actual songs in them were kind of cool. And I like that it's going this direction, so this will be nice for folding. But anyway, I just thought it was so cute. Such a cute little book. And I think that's Pippi Longstocking. Does not look like Pippi Longstocking, but maybe it isn't. Kind of looks like her though. And then the last book I have was this Ideals Easter book, another book to use in my Easter journals. So this is really cool. Look at that. I love that. I want to see what year this is. I'm not sure. Probably the 70s or the 80s, because that is about when my mom, I remember my mom had these ideals books growing up, and I was in the 80s, so. But that looks like 50s, so I don't know. So anyway, that is what I found for this little vintage haul. I had a lot of fun finding these items, of course. So hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.